Hi, this website, RoomRecess.com, it has so much math, reading, stories, puzzles, lab, work. There's a lot to choose from. Something that I really liked was under the reading, which I feel that these would be used for any for students, but also um, they have these games. I chose, let's see, reading games. You can watch a video first to see how it's done, which makes it more independent. I know some schools have both of these screens, so again, here you can practice the different things. Um, so you could have, if you have somebody who's a hard time working on the sh sound, you can have them work on this. Customizable, which kids love. And so we're off. And this was fun. So you have to add, oops, so, short, and there, you crash if you get the wrong one. So after you play this, there's even a worksheet for teachers could print off um, for students to do. So if you were teaching main ideas, vowel sounds, you could have students use this to practice. It's engaging, but then also you could have something like this for them to work on when they're done. So you could have something to get some feedback on how they did. It's catchy, all the different grade levels. Um, so this was again something that I had never seen before or used in any of the classrooms that I have subbed in. For math, they again have lots of fun games. I was surprised the amount of versatility. I mean, as far as just all the different ways to learn, surely one kid is going to find something that they like and being able to do. So this was another new website. Thank you.